Hey guys, it's me.
And my brother, Tony.
Today we are going to see if shaving cream and Tide makes slime.
I think it's not gonna work for sure.
And
I feel like it's just gonna be a waste. Hey!
that's how much we're doing. And
That's how much we're
so,
gonna do.
just kidding, we need to do more than that. And so, let's get started.
Wait. First, can you guys
So guys, I have the shaving cream here, some Tide. Then we're just like getting this kind of cup because we're not gonna make a lot, and we don't know if it's gonna work or fail. And we have a spoon, so we're gonna pour the shaving cream. Then,
No, don't use this.
yeah.
No, use them.
Use what?
Wait.
Or one.
Give me this.
So we're just using a plastic plate because. Okay, wait.
Why do you like slime? Why does every girl like
Here.
slime? That's all we're doing? Bruh.
Because it can't get out.
Okay.
Get a little bit because it's a little bit of shaving cream. Okay.
It's not gonna work, Anna. I don't know what you're thinking, but it's not gonna work. You probably saw this on YouTube.
No, I didn't.
Yeah.
I only see water. Is it working? Wait, I need the plate.
Hold on. Look. It's not turning in.
Why did you just do that though? You're done.
Wait.
Don't.
I need slime on my head.
There isn't even slime.
Well, it's gonna be because you see.
How do you know?
Because you say that. I don't like this.
Right, I'll put that with the spoon. So guys, it's coming to fail. And looks like it's gonna. Wait.
It is a fail.
I already poured some.
Hey.
Oh my God, Tony.
That's why I think it's a fail.
You could go play FIFA. Oh, sticky. It's coming like. What is this,
Really?
guys? It's like
It's
liquid.
not that.
Let me see.
Dang, she's trying to pinch me.
No?
Yeah, you're gonna.
Tony,
Hey, what are you doing, what?
oh my God. This literally can't get out. Nico's ready for school, guys.
Yeah, he already has his back to school clothes right now. Look.
Then he has his shoes.
Look, see?
You're putting his face up. And he's licking your hand.
His back to school clothes. Look at that. He's looking.
He doesn't have a backpack yet.
Look. Look, he has that little pocket.
That he could put his treats in. his food.
He's nice.
Of course he does.
No, not every baby dog smells. Oh, we made Oobleck. Because it's solid look.
Is it solid? Yeah.
Very solid.
Very solid. Very solid.
No!
Let's see. They said in the internet that water and salt make slime. But like, I think it doesn't.
Just like
Wait, Tony, why did
what?
I had a spoon and then
What?
I
Ate some?
just kidding.
I don't know. Just kidding. I don't know.
How do you know?
Because obviously you're not dumb enough to eat to drink Tide and savings, man. Oh wow, so satisfying.
I know. Guys, it's completely affair.
Nah.
We're just gonna talk all
Look
of
at Nico, he's watching.
I like to get messy. But
And how come? But how can you complain about Messi?
no.
You get it? Messi.
No, my God. Oh no, it's spilling.
Messi.
Messi.
But you complain about
Messi,
Messi.
guys.
Messi.
And then the sheep.
No, it's not that. It's Neymar. Neymar's gone.
Here, Nico, want some? Eat your food.
Where Neymar's gone. Penna. Huh? Wait, no. Penna. Go power man.
Okay, it's just like
the hammer.
blue, guys.
I'm a 5-star.
Ew.
Look at me.
He looks ugly, but cute. We're just for
Okay, it's already there, so I want to see.
I want to put salt really bad. Okay. Guys, it's coming to slime. Guys, it's coming to slime, guys. It feels so weird, guys. Tony! Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Look. Just kidding.
Yeah. How did you do that?
I did this to the camera. You could like prank someone that you could put like Jello or put chocolate in it, color dyed. Pretend it's like shaving cream inside.
I'm red. Ready.
He's red, guys.
No, yes.
Mm.
Only I.
So satisfying.
No, it's not. My lips are red.
So guys, I wasn't here at school because I was having so much fun. Just kidding, because I was sick. And
What?
I need to take this medicine at the morning when I go to school, when I'm like just leaving, and then the afternoon, and then in the night. I want to eat some pepinos again. Just kidding, guys. So guys, you can complain about. So I'm gonna be ending this because nothing's gonna work, guys. And it feels liquid. Of course it does. Okay. Why did I just do that? Okay, wait. I'm gonna put it at the sink. Then I'm gonna put you guys somewhere. And
5 mil, mate. 5 mil.
are you Asian?
Asian?
I mean, I don't know what is that, but
Are you from England?
yeah.
5 mil, mate.
Okay. So, I'm gonna set you guys somewhere. Be careful with this. I'm gonna do it in the sink because that's where I can wash my hands with it and not walk. And it's gonna spill all over and make it super messy. So I'm gonna set you guys I don't know. Right here. Okay.
They conceded another penalty.
They don't care.
Everyone cares.
You guys comment below. But now it's getting to soak. I just spent so much time. Guys, look at this. Now it made a hole in the plate. Good. Good. And we have to recycle these. Just kidding. We just throw them away. Guys, this one's dirty. I'm gonna go I'm gonna go straight. And then something like name that, bye. I don't know why, but I think it says Neymar. You get it? Because it's your favorite. You get it? So, I'm going to be throwing this away.
Only one team enjoying this. When you look at the scoreline.
So, I hope you guys enjoy. subscribe, and like. And I'm going to see you with the next video today. And